Hi, I'm Josh Coppins, Team Manager of Altherm JCR Yamaha. This is Nabe, our Workshop Manager. We're going to take you through an easy step-by-step engine oil change process using the Yamalube oil change kit. We have two options. We have the semi-synthetic oil, which is geared towards general purpose, and we have the fully synthetic oil, which is geared towards high-performance racing. In the kit, we have an O-ring for the oil strainer, we have an O-ring for the oil filter cap, we have the crusher washer for the oil drain bolt, we have an oil filter, the instruction manual, and the sticker kit. To do the job, you will need an 8mm T-bar, a 10mm T-bar, 12mm ring spanner, a torque wrench, a clean rag, drip tray, triangle stand, funnel, and measuring jug. We also recommend that you use rubber gloves and safety glasses. We recommend washing the bike prior to the oil change so no dirt goes inside the engine. After cleaning the bike, we recommend you run it up for 3 minutes to get the engine oil nice and hot, so when you remove the oil drain bolt, the oil comes out nice and easy. Put the bike on a triangle stand and position the drip tray under the drain bolt. Remove the oil filler cap first, then using the 12mm ring spanner, remove the drain bolt. Be sure to position the drip tray to capture the oil. While the oil is draining, take your 8mm T-bar and remove the oil filter cap. Twist the cap, and as you pull it back, remove the dirty oil filter. Once all the oil has drained out of the engine, use the 10mm T-bar to remove the oil strainer. Now's a good time to clean any excess oil, especially inside the oil filter case. With the strainer, remove the old O-ring, wipe and clean the strainer itself, then fit the new O-ring. Now the oil strainer is clean, put it back in place. Finger tighten the bolt to start, then use the T-bar, finishing with the torque wrench set at 10 Nm. Now we'll start with the oil filter area, firstly fitting a new O-ring to the oil filter cap. Then we'll fit the new oil filter, empty end first. Then we'll apply the cap using the 8mm T-bar to tighten the bolts, finishing with the torque wrench set to 10 Nm. Now we will do the drain bolt, firstly removing the old crush washer, cleaning with the rag, then fitting the new crush washer. It's important to replace the crush washer because this will create a better seal between the drain bolt and crankcases. Start fitting the drain bolt back into the crankcases. Start tightening using your fingers, then the 12mm ring spanner, then finish with the torque wrench set at 20 Nm. Because we have changed the oil filter, we will require 1.1 litres of engine oil. Now with the correct funnel, pour the engine oil into the engine, then tighten the filler cap to finger tight. Then run the bike up for 2 to 3 minutes and check for any leaks. We recommend this oil change procedure after every 5th race. That was a complete step-by-step oil change procedure. If you have any further questions, please contact your local Yamaha dealer.